Rahman Rahim. We have a topic statistics. Okay, there are three kinds of data we have. Number one, data. Just to help you, there are three kinds of data we have. Number one data is called raw data. Number two, we have ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. And third one, we have group data. Now, quickly, because if I don't show examples, students never understand what I'm saying. So I will give you examples in a no time. Inshallah, I believe you will understand raw data, ungroup data, and group data. Let's say one teacher conducted a test of 10 students. Okay. And this is a score. I'll just show the score. Okay. The score came like this. One student score, for example, 3 marks out of 10. One student scored 4 marks out of 10. One student scored 0 marks out of 10. One student got 2. One student got 6. Then one student got 7. One student got 4. One student got 4. So 3, 3, 6 to 8, and 2 more. Let's say one student got 5 and one student got 9. So just for your knowledge, students, so let's say these students scored this marks like this. Test is conducted 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 1, 10. 10 student test is conducted. That day, only 10 students present in the class. And the score is in front of you. This is called raw data. This is called raw data. Okay, raw data is clear. Now, if examiner asks us, find few things on these three kind of data, he can ask you many operations. So he can ask you find mean, median, or mode. So these, and sometimes he asks a range. So these three things, 4 operations he can ask on all three. 4 operations. Like I'm going to apply all 4 operations on this data now. Get ready, students. This is raw data. First of all, let's make clear. So I will rearrange. Rearrange. Okay, I'm going to show you how rearrange, students. So let's order. So 0, I'm writing, I cut. Then I write 2, I cut. Then I write 3 and cut. Then I write 4, cut. Then 2 more 4s, cut and cut. And then I'm writing 6 and cut. Sorry, missed 5 is also missing. 5, I cut. 6, I cut. 7, and then 9. I hope so you understood why this cutting technique, less chance of error. So this cutting technique will help us and no chance of mistake. I hope so clear. All right. Now I just arrange. You say, why arrange, sir? Because for your knowledge, the data must be in order for median. For mean, no problem, but median data must be order, mode, and range, even the mean, no issue at all. Let's start first of all, range. Job number 1. What is range, students? So I think it is a very clear approach. Range, 1 minute. Range formula is highest value minus lowest value. That's it. 9 minus 0 is 9. Over. First part done. Second part, he can ask you mode. What is mode? Mode is called maximum repeating number, and which is a 444. So 3 times repeats. No other number repeat maximum except 4. So mode is 4. And now I talk about median. And what is a median? Data must be in order, and the middle number is called median. Hold on. 4 values cancel from left side and 4 values cancel from right side. And these 2 values in the middle, I will take it, but I will not take just as it is. No, take the average of both numbers, average. And you know, average is what is method? Add them and divide by 2. So 4 plus 4 divided by 2, 8 by 2, I got 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now I'm discussing raw data. Once again, I tell you, and I'm finding few things. I found range done. I found mode done. I'm finding median okay. And last data mean. Mean is average of all values. It means that when I find mean, so we write what sum of the all values, sum of the values by number of this formula, you will not forget it, please. Okay. But easy formula, sum of values by number of values. If I add them, look at here, student, let's start all. Okay. So 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 and divided by 10 values. So I'm starting now. All of get ready, 0 plus 4 and 4 three times. So I can say into 3, even no issue, plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. And my total is coming 44. 44 by 10 is coming 4.4. So 4.4 is the average. So let's start, students. Once again, recall, just recap once again. He given us the raw data, which I have written here, and he asked you four things: mean, median, mode, and range. And range is called highest value minus lowest value. Sorry, highest value minus lowest value. Then he asked us the mode, the highest repeating number is called mode. Then he asked the median. Middle term is called four values cut left side, four right side, and the middle number. So take average of that. Is, I think, piece of cake for you, not a hard job. And mean some of the values, mean add them all and divide by number of values, which are 10. You know it very well. And I got 4.4 answer. So group range, sorry, raw data is over. Hmm? Raw data is over. Let's say teacher, the principal asked for the class teacher, please conduct class test and give me the score. So when he did the conduct class test to 10 students are present, he made this kind of data and he presented to principal. Sir, this is data. You can see the result. So range is 9, mid mode is 4, mid is a 4, and this is okay. Principal, sir, no. Conduct a test again when all students present. I say, okay, sir. Now you conduct a test again, and there are, let's say, 20 students present. Okay, 20 students present, and I just show you now. For example, 20 students now, I'm going to teach you now, second category, ungrouped data. So get ready now. So for example, test conduct for 20 students now. Students are full in strength now. So score is, I just mentioned you in quickly, two students got 0, 0, then 1, 1, 1, then 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, then 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 3, how many values? Let's count 3 values, 6, 9, 12, 12, wait a minute, 12, 7, 15. Okay, let me check again, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, and 12 to 14, sorry, 14 values. 14 values done up till now. I need 6 more values. So let's say 6 more values means test is conducted. So, okay, I think I need to bring it slightly left side. Okay. Now, for example, now I am conducting at 6 marks more. Okay. So let's say one student got 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, and 10. So this is the whole data. 20 student test conducted. If you will present to principal, this one is very awkward. Okay, is very awkward. But what the teacher did, teacher thought that I presented this data. It's called raw, but now he will going to arrange and going to give this form of data, or I make it one more change. Inshallah, I believe you will understand that is a better. I change it. For example, I make it here change. Let's say 5, and I introduce 0 more. Okay, and this one 5. Okay, 4. 4 plus 4 to 4, then 12, then 16. So 4, 4, 16, 17, 3 more. 17, 18, 19, and 20. So he conduct tests. This is called score, and score here is called frequency. How to write FREQ shortcut frequency? So score is 0, score is 1, score is 2, score is 3, score is 4, and score is 5. How many zero students? 4 zeros. So 4 values coming here. So this is okay. How many one students? So 3 ones are there. How many twos? So 1 2 is coming there. How many threes? So 2 threes are coming here. How many fours? 2 fours are coming here. And how many fives? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 students got 5 out of 5. So this test was conducted out of 5 marks. So now 8 plus 2, 10 to 12, 13, 13, 16 plus 20, correct. If you add them all, you get a 20. So this is called ungrouped data. You converted from raw data to convert to ungrouped data. So it means first we done raw data. Now or you are discussing ungrouped data. And he will ask you again same 4 things. So let's start. I'm discussing same 4 things. All of you get ready, please. First of all, he can ask us find the range. So not a hard job. So highest value 5, lowest value 0, even from here 5, even 0 here, same story. So I got 4 minus 0 is the range is a 5. Right. So mode, what is the maximum repeating number? So although I will count from here, why waste our time? There's a given 5 coming 8 times. So it means no need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why waste our time? So it means 8. So 8 is a no, sorry, 8 is a not mode. Some student write 8. No, 5 is a mode. Why? 5 is a value which repeats 8 times. Highest values. I think clear. Now I talk about the median. Median is a little hard here. I will discuss in detail later on. But for a short interval, I'm just telling you, what you can say, students, 4, 7, 8, 4, 4, 8. 8 value cancel from left side, 8 value cancel from right side. Now I cancel one left side, one right side. Furthermore, so 3, 4 left only. I hope so you understood how I got middle values. It's not a hard job to get it. So 3 and 4 students, I get it. 3 and 4. And now I'm writing 3 plus 4 and find out the average. So 3.5. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, mode is also clear. Mean is very interesting, students. I'm going to teach and mean a new time, first time. Formula sigma fx by sigma f. You never done before. I'm going to do now. Get ready, please. What is sigma fx? So in this kind of data, I will make one extra column or just sigma is called sum, add up. But fx is what? Fx means multiply f and x. For your knowledge, f stands for frequency. And for your knowledge, X is called score. Okay, for your sake of knowledge, I'm writing X and F here. Inshallah, I believe you'll understand. And now what I am doing, students, Fx means product them, multiply. Means 0 into 4, I got 0. 3 ones are 3. 2 into 1, I got 2. 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. 5 eights are 40 and divided by 20 is a very clear. But you're surprised to know, actually behind the scenes same is job is going on. You know how same job is going on? I show you. If you add and first of all the answer is finally coming 2.95. Okay, but I talk you one more thing. Look at here, students. 1 is coming 3 times. If you add this 1 1 1 1, how much answer come? 3. And what answer coming here? 3. Same thing. If you add this 4 4 plus 4 give you 8. Look what I'm doing, 4 into 2, same thing. Okay, if I add this 5, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, I got 40. Okay, like 5 plus 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. But why waste for time? 5 is the 40. So it means we understanding that group data, ungrouped data is helping us. Why we add them manually? We can simply say multiply, 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 and then add them all. Sigma stand for adding. But what adding, students? First of all, multiply them all and add them. And down sigma f means all frequencies, add them, and I got 20. Because there are 20 students all together. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now I'm going to stop here. And first of all, I'll give you a summary. Then inshallah, I go in detail further part. Attentive, please. So up till now, I cleared two things with you. One, number raw data. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. 1 minute. One, I finished with you raw data. Raw data here. This is called ungrouped data. Two different kinds of datas. And I think clear. And I discussed four things: range, mode, median, mean. Range, mode, median, mean. I believe you're not getting any big issue. Okay. And last form I teach you, then I'll give you a practice or do one thing. Better to have a practice now. Okay. And I'm going to give you one question to practice, and that you will try now. Okay. And I'm giving you directly, I'm giving you two questions. Easy. Okay. Like example, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. And one data I'm giving in table form. This is a score, but I will not give a big values. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here, let's say 2, here 3, here 1, here 4, and here frequency. So what is your job, students? This is raw data. What left side called? Raw data. This is called ungrouped data. And what you will find both options, both ideas, you will find all four things. What, sir? You can ask me. Range, mode, median, and mean. So you will find all these four things, and at least one data I will keep visible for you. Okay. And this is visible for you, and you can take your time and start and do these two questions, and then I will go for the next plan. Yes, student, I'm doing this question. You took a reasonable time starting now. What is because I said you find four things: range, mode, median, and mean. So what is the range, student, here? Highest value minus lowest value over. Highest value is 5, lowest is 2, answer is 3. Over. What's the range here? So range is so simple. Highest value 4, lowest is 1. This data I wrote in raw data form here, just take you for knowledge. You understanding? 1, 2 times, so 1, 1. 2 come 3 times, so 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. And 3 come 1 time, I wrote 3 1 time, and then 4, 4 time. So I wrote 4 time. So I think clear. So highest value 4 minus 1, or prime from here. This 4 and 1 subtract. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you're understanding. So let's talk about the ranges over. Now I talk about the mode. So mode is the highest repeating number. Here 2 come 1 time, 3 1 time, 5 1 time, but 4 comes 2 times. So don't say 2 answer, wrong. 4 is a 2. Why? 4 is answer. Reason 4 repeating 2 times. And here let's talk about what is the mode here. The highest frequency repeating is the 4, so this 4 is answer. Reason for highest repeating number is a 4, so 4 is my answer. Now let's talk about the median. The median part is sometimes hard for students. Okay, have a look here. Median. I cancel 2 values from left, 2 from right. The middle number 4 is called median. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And here median, I am teaching the shortcut technique. We have a formula for median also. I will tell later, inshallah. Okay, I wrote it here. So you know, students, so I cancel 4 values from left side and 4 values from right side. And you see 2 values left behind. So what is the average coming? Very clear, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So 2.5 is the median. And I believe you got answer easily, alhamdulillah. Now mean part is coming last answer. Mean is called sum of values. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 5 and divided by 5. So repeat again, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 18. 18 by 5 is coming by is 3.6. So 3.6 is mean. Now I hope so all understanding what is going on. Here I have two techniques. One technique formula, sigma fx by sigma f. Memorize this formula as early as possible. Okay. Sigma f means add them all. Okay. This is becoming 2 plus 3. Okay. I'm showing 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4. Wait a minute. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 values I'm writing down, but above 1 and 2 multiply, I got 2. Why multiply? because fx are multiplying, f and x. This is called f and this upper called x. So 2 3s are 6. I am adding even. 3 1s are 3. I'm writing here. And 4 4s are 16. I'm writing here. So 16 plus 6, 22, 22, 24, 27. Yeah, 2.7 is my final answer. And you can see that, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I have finished this question very clearly, and I hope so you have no problem at all. Yes, student, I hope so you got idea. Okay. Now I think I have to give you one more example because practice is not, this is not enough practice. Let's start. So 5, 8, 8, 2, not 2. Let's take a 12 and 16 and 18. And I think so. Okay. This is one data. Second, this is called raw data. I believe now you're understanding what is raw and what is a ungrouped data. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So frequency and score. And let's say score is a 10, then score is 11, then score is 12, and 3 10s comes, then 4 11 comes, and 2 12 comes. So take your time, please. And now you will find again 4 things. What? Range, mean, mode, and median. And I'm waiting for your reply. I mean to say you have to solve it and wait for me. Go ahead. So student, let's see how we can do this kind of question. First of all, this data is already a range form. So what is the range? Range. Highest value 18, lowest is a 5, answer is 13. Over. Highest value here. Okay, this question only, I am writing in a expanded form. 10 3 times, so 10, 10, 10. 11, then 11, then 11, then 11, then 12, and 12. So if I ask you range in this form, so range is so simple. Highest is 12, lowest 10, 2 is answer, and I believe is easy. Okay, range is 2 and range is 13. Very clear, alhamdulillah. Now I'm going for the finding mode. Mode is the highest repeating number. 8 is repeating the most number here. So 8 is mode here. And here mode is what is a common sense. 11 repeat 4 times. So 4 is not answer. 11 is answer. Okay, now I talk about the median. Median is data must be in order. So cancel 2. Can I cancel 3, 3? No way. Data will finish automatically. Cancel 2, cancel 2. Then 2 values left behind in the middle. Take the average of them. So 8 plus 12 divided by 2, I got 10. I think very clear. I repeat, 2 cancel, 8 and 10, 12. I took it and I took average of them. I think, okay. Now median here. And formula, what is it? A formula I'll tell you later, inshallah. This is technique for small sample of data. Okay. So 4 values, if I cancel from here, 4 values I cancel from here. So middle term is coming is only one term, and that is no need to work out middle one term only. So no need to work out directly. Answer is 11. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Now talk about the mean. And formula is what here? Here formula is sum of values by number of values. In more technical way, for the ungrouped data, mean formula is sigma fx over sigma f. So answer is coming for first part if you add them all. So I mean 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 18 divided by 6 values. So answer is coming 11.2 after rounding. And what about this? Here you will, what sigma fx means what? Multiply. So multiply 3 into 10, I get 30. So again multiply 11 fours are 44. And 12 twos are 24. And divide by sigma f means add them all. So 7 plus 2, 9. So I believe you're understanding. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. And I'm finding it for you. And wait a minute. Divide by 9. And answer is coming 10.9 after rounding. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The concept is totally clear. And let's go for next plan. Yes, student, for example, here now, next idea, I'm giving you a group data example. We already finished. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. You understood? This is called raw data. This is called ungrouped data. Third and final category is group data. Let's say the teacher showed the result to the principal. Okay, is this result? Principal said no. You conduct a test. You conduct a test of only less marks. I need a test of a bigger marks, not 5 marks test conducted. No. How we can evaluate the students? No. All students must present and take a test of something 30 marks, 50 marks, like that. Then I change the plan. The teacher changed the plan. Okay, sir. Then he conducted test. For example, I will not show 0 marks, zero, because many students will get 0 marks. Okay, I'm not showing that. So, for example, zero, how many ones are, how many twos are there, how many 12, how many students got 15, how many students got. So, 12 marks are 30. Assume. And if I write this form, this is called group data. So here I'm writing marks, okay, and here I'm writing number of students or frequency. I think better to write what is called number of students. So number of students. Let's say from 0 to 10, because look. Is it possible to make columns like this? Oh, can I make it this column like this for 30 marks? It is very impossible. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Till 30, it is very impossible to make this kind of this call. So that is why we convert this ungrouped data in a special format, and that is called group data. 0 to 10, and then next group. That is let's say 10. Okay, in exam they write like this. Marks, M for marks, less than 10 and bigger than 0 and equal 10. And then marks bigger than 10 and less than 20 and equal 20 also. Okay, marks bigger than 20 and less than equals to 30. I believe you're understanding what it means. I repeat, this means less than equal to 10 and 0 is above 0. But here I put equal sign also because sometimes students can get 0 as well. Okay. So let's say 6 students scored between 0 to 10. I give example. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. No, 6. I might have given more. Okay. Yeah. No, one more actually. Okay. 6 students took 6 marks. 6. So this 6 come for that reason. I repeat again, because 3 students got 3 and 1 student got 2 and 1 is 0. Altogether is 6 here. I hope so you understood why I wrote 6. Same way from 10 to 20, some student like a 11, then 12, then 18, then 19, then 20, and then 20. So let's say 3 and 3, 6, and let I add one more marks in the middle. Let's say 18. So 7 student got this one. So 13, and I make it one more. For example, like here 12, one more 18 come. So it becomes 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 6 is the 20 students are total altogether. So 20 students are all together, and the score is very clear. But problem is this data. Can I tell you how many students scored exact values? No. That is why this will give you exact value. This will give you exact values. Original values will retain there, will stay there. But in this original values, you don't know. For example, 6 students got 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. These 6 students scored, and I wrote 6 for them. One student got 1, 2 students got 2, 2, one student got 3, one student got 4, one student got 6. But altogether, I wrote 6 for them. So original data lost. Original data lost. In this way, original data not lost. Original data not lost. Still exists there. And that is why these are more accurate answers. We can say accurate, but this is an estimation answer. Why estimation answer, students? You can say that because these values exactly I wrote here, But when I write 6 here, so exactly value is gone. I don't know how many students got 6, how many students got 4, how many students got 3, how many students got 1 and 2. So I hope so you got my point. That is why group data always is called estimation, because original data no more available there, gone. So this is normally used for estimation. So let's start. So examiner can ask you again 4 things, not 4 things this time. He can ask you range, he can ask you mode. He asked not mode, modal class. Same like a mode. Okay. He can ask you mean. He can ask you median class. Median class. Why class, sir? You can ask me. Because this is called classes. Class. Like a class of 0 to 10. A class of poor students. Okay. A class of average students. A class of efficient students. This is called class or word interval. So no problem. Okay, let's start. Now I'm going to start with students. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How to get the range. A piece of cake, the highest value 30, the lowest value 0, 30 minus 0, range. Now I talk about the modal class, or I just write a word interval for your sake of understanding. Interval. And how to find modal interval? This group repeats 6 times. This group repeats 6 times, but this group repeats 8 times. So the highest repeating group is this one. So 10 marks, and this, the way he wrote, the way you are same right. You will not change it. Where is equal, where is not equal, you will write same. What he's demanding from you. Okay, median. Median, what is median? Now I'm going to tell you technique. This is a new thing for you. Get ready for that. Formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Get ready. So have a look, students. You can ask me, sir, what is this n plus 1 divided by 2? Actually, this is a formula for the median. Okay, I'm going to show you. Inshallah, I believe you will understand. Let's start. So first of all, from where I got n? N is 20. 20 come from where? 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. So its total value, if you add them all, is called 20. So this 20 comes from here. I think got my point. So formula is always n plus 1 divided by 2. Fixed formula for median only. Okay, I'm going to apply this formula here also. Wait a minute, inshallah, show you. Inshallah, okay, I think we can apply first here. For example, here, what is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is n here? 6. Formula is what, student? 6 plus 1, n plus 1 divided by 2. I got 7 by 2. I got 3.5. 3.5 come where? 3.5 come in the middle of 3 and 4. Look at here, students. Look, here 3, here 4, 3.5 in the middle. I believe you got my point. Okay, so third term and fourth term, check it. 2 gone, 2 gone. These two numbers. My question, what is 8? What is 12? Term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So indirectly, I am taking third term and fourth term. Indirectly, I took third and fourth term, and I believe you got the formula clear. And this I'm doing not manually. This is done manually, and now I'm doing with a formula, and I believe you got the idea. But wait a minute, don't worry. I'm going to do the same job here. Let's start. So what is the values n? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. So n is equals to 9. And formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2, I got 10 by 5. Fifth term is my middle term. And check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mabruk. And this 11 is directly answer. And you reach, I reach directly. Look at it. Look at it. I reach directly fifth term. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So I hope so you got it. Come back here. So here I got a 10.5. 10.5 is coming in the middle of 10th term and 11th term. I believe you're understanding. So 10 and 11th term, where my students? 6. This is 6. It means this group repeating 6 times. And then where is 7? Where is 8? Where is 9? Where? And 6 plus 8 give you 14. It means if you add these two groups, you get a 14. So my question, where is 10.5 is coming? You can say, sir, 10.5 coming in this section. Why? Because 6 is here and 7 is here, 8 is here, 9 is here, 10 is here, 11 not here. 10.5 is also there. I hope so. And also 11 also there till 14 here. So that is why this group is my answer. And I believe you got the basic idea. So just write simply. Then what is the median class, students? The median class I am writing is this. And reason I just tell again, don't worry and relax. This is my answer. I believe the idea is very clear. And this is my median turbo, more than turbo. Last answer, last part I'm discussing is a mean. So get ready. The mean formula, for mean formula, I will make one extra column, not one extra column, sorry. I'll make two extra columns. Get ready. Why two extra columns? These two extra columns you make, you don't make, no problem at all. But as a teacher, I suggest you must please must make it. Have a look attentively. So this is my question from you. This 3 you multiply with 10. You say yes sir. This 4 multiply with 11. Yes sir. But here 6 multiply with 0 or 6 multiply with 10. Oh, I don't know. So when you don't know, students, what do we do? I will take average of the class. How to represent X is also called mid class. What is called mid class? Mid is represented by X. So how to find it? 0 plus 10 divided by 2 like this. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. I got 5. Again. Let's go for next. 10 plus 20. I got 30 divided by 2. I got 15. Again. 20 plus 30. I got 50 divided by 2. I got 25. This is called X. Okay. And now I'm writing Fx. And this is called F. This is called frequency, my students. Don't say this X. This is not X, sorry. X, I will find it. And I got X here. Now this value 5 and this 6 multiply. Reason? Why reason? Because this is X, this is F. So Fx multiply. 6 into 5, I'm getting 30. And then 18, this 8 into 15, I believe you're understanding what is going on. 120. This 6, this 25, multiplying, and I believe you're understanding what is going on. Repeat. I repeat again. If you're not understanding at all, hold on. So this is called frequency match. Done. So this group, this I made an extra column myself, is called X or mid class. Mid class, I write the word class also. Mid class. How I got it? So that you know it very well. Add them, divide by 2, I got this answer. So this 5 into 6 multiply, I got 30. This 15 into 8, I got 120. 25 into 6, I got 150. And I believe you are understanding it very well. And mean formula, same like a ungrouped data. Same formula here. Same formula. So formula I'm writing sigma fx over sigma f. Sigma fx means this column all values add up. 30 plus 120 plus 150. And divided by what, students? Sigma f. Sigma f is where, students? Sigma f is here f. Add them all. 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 8 plus 6. And now I'm typing in my calculator, and I believe you will get it, inshallah. And this is divided by 20. I got 15 answer. So alhamdulillah rabbil alamin, students, I believe you got the point very clear. And the topic of the this is completely